Hello everyone! Welcome to our cooking day today. Are you ready for some delicious treat?
Yeah!
Let's go! Today we are going to make Choco Banana Cracker Sandwich with you guys. Let's get ready!
Let's see what we have today. Crackers, chopsticks, banana, knife, finger, and spoon. Chop the banana. Chocolate time.
Wow!
Cook banana. Sprinkle. Put another kitchen.
Ta-da! Our Choco Banana Cracker Sandwich is ready! Who would like to try?
Yummy, 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 so sweet. Every single bite is a tasty treat.
Yummy.
Yummy, 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 can't get enough. Delicious and fun, it's the good stuff. Yummy, 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 in my tummy. Yummy, 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 in my tummy.